Creating custom Mailchimp reports for your business is an excellent way to get a better grasp on how your campaigns are performing and how to fine-tune them for even better results. If you're looking to dig deeper into your Mailchimp data and make it work for you, stick around, because I'll be showing you step by step how to create powerful reports tailored to your business needs. And if you're thinking this sounds complicated, don't worry, I'll break it all down for you. Now, before we dive into it, I want to let you know that you can use Mailchimp completely free from the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses we've arranged for you. You won't want to miss that. The first thing you'll need to know is how to access Mailchimp's reporting tools. After logging into your account, head to the Reports section from the main dashboard. Here's where you'll find a range of basic reports, open rates, click rates, and overall performance metrics. These are great starting points, but the magic happens when you create custom reports. Next thing, let's talk about segmentation. In order to make your reports truly useful, segmentation is key. You want to tailor reports to specific audience groups. For instance, you might want to see how your campaigns are performing with repeat customers versus new subscribers. To do this, simply select a segment and choose the report that focuses on that audience. This will give you more accurate insights, and you'll be able to make decisions based on specific behaviors and preferences. The third thing to consider is customizing the data you want to see. Mailchimp allows you to select exactly what data to include in your reports, whether it's engagement stats like clicks, bounces, or even specific sales data. Customizing your data helps you focus on the metrics that matter most to your business goals. You won't waste time sifting through unnecessary info anymore. The fourth thing is understanding the visual aspect of your reports. Mailchimp's custom reports come with graphs and charts that make the data easy to digest. You can view trends over time, compare performance across different campaigns, and gain insights through a visual format. This is great for presentations or just for your own understanding of how your campaigns are tracking. Moving on, let's talk about automating your custom reports. This feature will save you a lot of time. Instead of manually generating reports every week or month, you can set up Mailchimp to automatically send these custom reports to your inbox. You can schedule these reports for specific times, and they'll show up in your email without you needing to lift a finger. This is perfect for busy entrepreneurs who want to stay informed without the hassle. The sixth thing is collaboration. If you're working with a team, Mailchimp allows you to share these custom reports with others. You can invite team members to access and even collaborate on the reports, making it easier to track progress and strategize as a group. Now, let me remind you once again that you can start using Mailchimp for free with the exclusive link in the description, plus some bonuses that will really help you get a head start. You won't find this offer anywhere else. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one last tip. When creating custom reports, make sure you're setting up your goals and KPIs in advance. This helps you align your data with your business objectives and measure your success more effectively. Without clear goals, your custom reports won't be as impactful. And remember, creating custom Mailchimp reports for your business can give you the insights you need to grow, improve your marketing strategy, and make better decisions based on real-time data. And don't forget, you can access Mailchimp's full features with an exclusive extended free trial by the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.